And this is a good activity to use for the game Charades. So we'll learn the actions first. Let's start with our long past tense marker, which is E. Ka pai. So an action for that is I just want you to point right behind you to the back of the room perhaps, and you're just going to point behind you. Yep. So our action for E is that, which represents it happened a long time ago. Yeah, long past. The action that happened a long time ago. Okay. Now we're in the present tense markers. Okay, so we have keite. We're going to use this action. Yep. It's happening right now. Keite. And the last one is a future tense, and that tense marker is ka. And our action for that is just the forward motion, ka. Ka pai? Ka. Let's go through them all together again. From our past tense marker, here we go. E, keite, and ka. Ka pai. So quick to learn the tense marker actions. Okay, Terina, I'm going to give you a tense marker. You give me the action. Ka. Terina, E. And last one, Mika, I believe it is keite. Ka pai. So let's just have a practice of acting out some sentences. Your sentence, Terina. So when you do your charade sentence, you're going to use that for the first part. And all the other sections, you're just going to use your creativity to act them out. For example, if the sentence is I kaia hau I te aporo, my actions would be I kai a hau. Okay, now these are 2 new words, maybe 4. So I is this action here. I, ka pai, and ki, if we need to use it, will be this. Yeah, so it's almost like a little K. Yeah, ka pai. But we'll probably be just using I. Another 2 words is this for te. Yeah, T for te. Ka pai. And this symbol here for ngā, which is our plural. For example, try and guess the sentence that I'm going to act out for you. I kai a hau I te aporo. Ka pai. Okay, one more. I kai a hau I ngā aporo. Ka pai. Mama noi ho ne. Easy peasy. Okay, Terina, I want you to think of a sentence and you're going to act it out, and me and Mika will try and guess what your sentence is. I inu koe I te Inu?
Wai Māori.
Ka pai. Wai Māori pia. Ka pai. Tēnā koe, Terina. Mika, your turn. Ka. Fiu. Koe. I. Poro. Ka pai. Is it a te poro or ngā te poro? Ka pai. So those are the actions for our charades game. We are going to turn this into a whakataitai now. And what it means is that you have 2 cards in front of you and they have 2 sentences on it. Okay. How this becomes a whakataitai is that you have, let's say, a minute to act out those sentences each. Okay. I'm going to be the one that will guess the sentences. If I'm correct, you'll give me the thumbs up. Or let me know if I'm incorrect. And it's the person who can finish both sentences the fastest. Ka pai?
Pai.
Okay. Who would like to go first? Ka pai, Terina. Okay. When you're ready, toru, rua, tahi, tīmata. I inu, ia, I te inu, wai Māori, ka pai. Kei te kai, ia, I te aporo. Hū, tō tere hoki. I believe that was around about 37 seconds.
That was probably a minute.
20. Ka pai. Are you ready, Mika?
Ai.
Okay. Toru rua tahi timata. Ka. Waiata. Ia. I te waiata.
Ka pai.
Ka pai.